Hey everyone, okay, so it's your Sunday, I'm Pink Collab, and I'm filming outside. That's the theme of challenge. Whoa, baby. I'm actually not even home right now, and I'm about to go in my car, but I'm going to do the bread challenge a little bit after this, so yeah, I have to like get bread from my aunt, and I don't know how that's gonna work, because she's gonna be like, what the hell are you getting bread for? So, yeah. So I'm just filming this part outside, and I just went on my uncle's boat, and now, well, when I was on my uncle's boat, we got something to eat for like breakfast, because it's like 11:50ish now, and we're thinking about what we want to get for dinner, because it's my uncle's birthday, so we wanted to do something. I think we're getting lobster or something. I don't really know, but yeah. So on to the bread challenge, I guess. Look, you see that little thing moving. Keys. Okay, bye. Hi everyone. Now to the bread challenge. I couldn't do this outside because it was raining. Plus, I can't bring my camera outside, and plus my camera's dead. So it was like, great. Now what I recorded on. So I was like, oh, I have to record it on this crappy webcam. So I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry if you can't hear me, but I guess we're just gonna have to stick through this. Whoa. Hello, pop-ups. But yeah. My nose is like really stuffy. I've been like, it's been really itchy today. I don't know why, but yeah. So I have my stopwatch right here, and I have my piece of bread. So yeah, let's get started. Ready, set, go. Oh my god. So I beat the challenge, but like my throat hurts now. Oh my god. Do not do that. It hurts. You have to like go really fast, and like I had this like big gulp, and I was like, I almost couldn't swallow it. But I got 44 and 3 seconds. So pretty much 1 second away from losing. But yeah. So I'm really sorry about this quality. Next week will be 10 times better using my camera. So I will see you guys next week. Bye. Ugh.